North Carolina, you can ride side-by-sides on the road, so today we're going to go jump and grab a quick bite, grab some lunch, show you what it takes to make one of these things street legal, and yeah, have a good time, of course. Number one thing is you're gonna need a turn signal kit. Turn signal kit, you're gonna need DOT approved tires. You have to get you a little horn there, just like that. Turn signals on the back. You gotta have working operable brake lights. You gotta have a tag light back here for your tag. You need a park brake and a windshield wiper kit. Some other things that you're going to need is you're going to need your manufacturer certificate of origin, an MVR 59, a bill of sale, and you also need an MVR1, but the DMV can provide that to you. If you guys have any questions, comments, anything else we can do, just hit us up. I'm going to drop the information in the comments below so you can get the stuff. I'll make the list in there and we'll put that in there so you guys can pick it up. Let me get 2 cold brews, grande.
Okay. Any sugar or cream?
No, And then a grande pike with a little bit of cream. We'll drive? I'm gonna need that back.